The skin is first placed on a backlit table, allowing the inspector to identify translucent patches and imperfections.
After inspection, the raw skins are loaded into the rotary drum washer. Here, they undergo their first wash.
The fleshing machine utilizes rotating steel blades to scrape the unwanted membrane off the backside of the skin.
Inside the factory, hydraulic arms stretch the snakeskin, ensuring a perfectly smooth surface for the luxury jacket panels.
The firm, dry skins are taken from the racks and loaded into the softening tumblers, which begin to rotate rhythmically. Once the tumbling cycle is complete, the now supple and smooth snakeskins are removed and laid out, ready for pigmentation in the spray booth. Now we apply the first base coat using the airbrush system. This pigment fills the natural scale gaps. After the pigment is applied, the skin moves along the conveyor belt into the infrared tunnel, where the heat permanently bonds the color to the scales. The pigment is fixed, and now the meticulous hand detailing begins, deepening the natural snake pattern before the finishing coat. After hand detailing, the skin moves to the sprayer, where a clear protective polyurethane coat is applied, locking in the finish and adding a high-gloss sheen. Here, the finished snake leather is precisely aligned with the digital pattern. The laser cutter then begins the intricate process.
With the exterior panels cut, we now prepare the interior lining. Here we use a high-quality satin.
The worker carefully smooths the snakeskin over the satin lining and uses tailor's chalk to meticulously trace the outline of the jacket panels before cutting. Using the electric fabric cutter, we carefully follow the chalk outline, slicing through the satin lining and the leather simultaneously for a perfect match. Next, the freshly cut satin lining pieces are carefully placed and adjusted to match the snake leather panels, preparing them for the next stage of production. Here we bond the exotic leather torso panel with the satin lining, using the walking foot machine to apply the first permanent stitches. This precision teases the luxury quality of the final jacket structure.
Now we move to the sleeves, carefully guiding the curved edge under the walking foot to ensure a perfect seam.
Here, the sleeve is attached to the torso. This crucial shoulder seam stitch must be executed flawlessly for a luxury-grade finish. After reinforcing the first seam, the worker meticulously aligns the second sleeve panel, using chalk marks and clips to ensure perfect symmetry. Meticulous alignment is crucial before the second side seam is stitched, ensuring the luxury finish of the python leather. After stitching, the leather moves to the laser cutter. The digital collar pattern is precisely aligned with the natural grain of the scales before the cut begins. We clean the residue from the laser cut before tracing the exact shape onto the satin lining. This ensures a perfect fit for the jacket collar. The satin lining is traced using the leather collar as a template, then cut with an electric fabric cutter. The two pieces must match perfectly before bonding.
Apply a thin, even layer of adhesive, then carefully smooth the satin lining outward from the center to prevent wrinkles.
Here we see the meticulous process of attaching the zipper to the exotic leather, ensuring a perfect seam.
The walking foot ensures perfect alignment as the zipper tape is secured to the snakeskin and satin lining.